Alright, let's talk about changing the frame size in Premiere Pro. So, I have a video here that doesn't quite fit in the frame. The easiest way to fix this is to stretch out your video. You can do this by right-clicking the video clip and selecting Set to Frame Size or Scale to Frame Size. Alternatively, you can adjust the scale manually by selecting your video clip and going up to Effect Controls. Then select Motion so that you can see handles around your video. Now, just drag one of the corner handles to stretch out your video. Alright, that looks good. But let's say you want to change the frame size of your whole sequence rather than stretching out your video. To do this, make sure your video clip is selected on the timeline and go up to Sequence. Select Sequence Settings. Now, change the frame size to the original resolution of your video. In this case, mine's 1280 by 720. Then, hit OK in both of the pop-ups, and there you have it. Now, your video fits properly in the frame without stretching it out. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.